Hello everyone, it's Owen here at Tonic Studios, and today I'm going to be talking to you about what bundles we've got available this weekend on the Tonic UK and US website. So we've got 6 amazing Nouveau bundles this weekend, and I'll tell you what exactly is in each and what you can expect from these bundles. So we'll kick it off with these. This is the Rainbow Sparkle bundle, and it's Nouveau glitter drops that we've got in here. So if you've used Nouveau drops before, they're just the same, but they're infused with glitter to create real sparkle to your embellishments, so create those lovely domed embellishments, and that's what you're going to get. There's 8 in all in rainbow colours, so you've got all those there. Next up then, we've got the Gilded Flakes, so there's 3 in this little pack here, and you've got gold, silver and bronze, and they're again great for adding embellishments, sort of sheen and metallics to your project. If you're into your mixed media or adding little fine details and things like that, these are for you, and there's loads in each pot as well, so you're going to get your money's worth with that. Next up then, we got the pearl pastels, and these are mousses. So you got 5 in all, and these lovely pinks, turquoise, greens, golds and silvers. Again, adding embellishments is really going to be create some beautiful designs, whatever your crafting style, with these, with the mousses here. Next then we have the Mica Mess. So you've got 4 Mica Mists, and this is Winter Sunset, we've called this pack. Beautiful dark sort of, if you haven't heard of Mica Mist before, what they are is a fluid that you'll spray upon your projects, create some awesome designs, backgrounds and things like that, and they're infused with mica, which shows off that metallic. So yeah, well worth having a look at those if you've never seen those before. If you've had a kit with us, you may have had them as a sample, so this is a good time to get more to your set and add to your collection. But yeah, 4 in those. Of those lovely dark colors. Next then we've got a stamp set. So it's a stamping set in that you get your stamping cleaning pad, your cleaning fluid, and you've got black shadow ink pad, and you've got a clear mark ink pad, especially if you're doing embossing and things like that. It's a great essential set for caring for your stamps, and some little extras to take you on your stamping journey. And finally we have got the Nouveau tape runners. So these are adhesive tape runners, and you got them in maxi and mini, depending on what type of project you're doing, and if you've got some finer details. Really real quality that you always expect from Nouveau. Now all these bundles are 30% off on the stores on the UK and the US. We got worldwide shipping from whichever store you choose to buy from. So yeah, check those out. We're really happy with these bundles this month, and we hope you are too. Until then, see you soon.